In this video, I want to show you how to fix a JBL soundbar in case it's not working. The problems could be a connection problem or it could be that it doesn't turn on anymore. Let me show you a few different solutions to try out. So the first thing, when this is happening, go ahead and disconnect the soundbar from its power source. So simply pull the plug, and if you have a subwoofer that is connected to the soundbar, do the same thing. Simply unplug the cable in the back. In the meanwhile, you can press the power button just to drain all the excess energy remaining in the soundbar. Wait around 2 minutes and then plug the subwoofer, plug the soundbar as well, and test everything out. This simple reset fixes many different issues and you won't have to do anything more. If you're still having issues with the soundbar, what I recommend is that you do a factory reset. This will delete absolutely everything that is set up with the soundbar, so you'll have to start fresh from the beginning. It will be like a brand new soundbar. So it can fix many issues. Let me show you how it is done on this model, but even if you don't have the exact one, it's almost the same steps. Step number one is to turn on your soundbar. So press once on the power button on the soundbar itself. We don't need the remote control. Then we will need to keep press the power button and this button over here, the one with an arrow and a semicircle, for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you should see reset appearing here. So let's do it. Okay, I'm currently pressing these two buttons and I will stay like this for 10 seconds and you'll see the result at the end. Almost there. Here is, you see, reset. You can release the buttons once you see reset, and this simply confirms that the reset has been done and you can start pairing it again with another Bluetooth device, with your TV, whatever. Every settings that were stored are completely gone. It's especially good if you want to resell the soundbar or if you're having troubles with it. After you do a factory reset, you probably wonder, does my subwoofer still connect to the soundbar? Well, if we take a look on the back over here, white means that it's connected, and yep, they're still connecting. If I turn off the soundbar, you're gonna see the subwoofer going into sleep mode, and if I turn it on, it will turn on. So no matter if you factory reset or not your soundbar, the subwoofer will still stay connected. So that's a good news. You won't have to do any manual pairing. Thanks for watching. If you have any other solutions on how to fix your JBL soundbar, please write a comment down below. Or if one of these worked, I want to know. So leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video.